Good afternoon. Time for CNFT's wrap-up of today's trading calls made for the E-mini at 6:45 Central. We came in today, frankly, not knowing whether to be buyers or sellers. The market was pretty contained overnight. Had a seller into 70, had a buyer into 60, so things were pretty quiet. Yesterday, the FOMC confirmed that QE3 was over, so the market could sell because of lack of Fed support, or the market could rally off what the Fed saw in upcoming stronger than forecast economic news. We had the GDP, the advanced GDP this morning, and it came in at 3.5% as opposed to 3, and that was stronger than forecast, and that eventually rallies the market. Very, very choppy. Didn't have a lot to work with until the market broke out this afternoon, and breakout it did. It went from 77.50 all the way up to 94.25 before profit taking. Took the market back and closed it in the 87, 88 area. So we had 4 trades this morning. We had a nice retest failure right here on a breakout trade. We were long at 71. The market only traded up to 73, so we got 1 point out of that. The market came back down and held at the mean green line. We were long at the 71 area once again. This time the market trades up to 77, so we got our standard 3 points. Could have made as many as 5. This was the first legitimate sell we had off of a setup, so we were short at 74.5, 74.75, and the market trades to 72.25 for another 1 point trade. Market breaks out, makes new highs. We get a nice retest failure here. We're long at 77.75, and the market trades up to 82.5, a market number which holds, so we made 3 to 4 points on that. And at that point, the market was really getting quiet, and we like to finish our trading before noon, and we decided to pack it in. So we had 4 trades today. If you'd taken the minimum expectations and or had exited on a trade that quit developing, at our exit points you made 8 points. If you traded it perfectly, you only made 11. There was a lot more money to be made after lunch. The E-mini trades well after lunch. We choose not to make sure we keep the money that we made in the morning. So we ended up with 8 points today. We've had better days, but 8 points day in and day out on the E-mini is a pretty darn good trading day when all is said and done. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodologies, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in our main trading room where we trade gold, crude, the euro, the 30-year, the 10-year, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.